Hi Alex, this week at Grandpa's house we're going to be cutting wood with a chainsaw. But like when we're using any of the machines, we need to make sure we have our safety goggles on. And this time we're even going to wear a hat. We're going to put on our hearing protectors and gloves. Then we're going to go and start the chainsaw. Now we're ready to go and get the wheelbarrow to take the logs over to the wood splitter. So that's what's happening this week at Grandpa's house. Bye-bye. I love you.